Your secrets, if you really look at yourself, you would be speechless. What happened to being doctors and teachers? What happened to being your brother's keeper? Nowadays, kids more worried about the...
Hey guys, it's Brice
and Ethan
from Think Out Loud Studios, and today we are playing Bird Assassin, and we're playing this on hard. I hope this music doesn't want to make you kill yourself, but I've been listening to it for about 5 minutes, and I already want to die, so...
And this is our first time.
This is our first time playing this game.
Morning, Paul.
Picked it
How
up
you
from
doing?
Steam.
Eh? What the hell is that? Eh?
It's a...
Look out, Paul!
Oh, no.
He's got a gun!
Oh no, Paul. Oh, that was violent. That was uncalled for. That was really uncalled for. I don't think that had to happen.
Paul, is that you? Got a ball.
Is that you?
Who else would it be? Avenge my death. Take my gun and kill them damn birds. All right, Paul. I'll do you.
I'm gonna kill you, birds.
And that. And some more.
Is it Thanksgiving?
Think so.
Kinda want a turkey right now. I'm kinda craving a turkey. Ooh, this is nice.
Oh no, skip the tutorial.
Tutorial?
No, skip it.
Oh, skip it.
Alright.
We'll do it quickly. I can dance.
Wait. Straight up. Alright, start.
Me lucky. I can dance.
You see how he jumps?
Oh no.
Did you hear him? He's like,
These big pooping birds.
look at him on, what you doing?
Spit all over my arm. Ooh, right through a rock. Oh, that I didn't really watch. Control. You just got some beer. Graceful.
Bongat.
That's a lot of birds.
Don't hit that lady.
What?
Oh. Yes. That was a total monkey. I'm like, no. There's no monkeys here.
Time
1
for
hour
a business
done.
expense.
Am I gonna purchase something?
No.
Go hunting.
Time for a business expense. Now what you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Need some.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god.
Ew.
Skills.
So good at this game. Pigeons are after us. We have to kill them right now.
Like, why don't you come over here?
You did.
Why is there so many?
Oh my God! Bart Simpson, Homer.
You know you're being eaten, right?
Oh. I didn't know they could kill me.
Chickens. Look at that! It's like a flamethrower or something. Oh, that's a minigun! Jump at it.
Let's go. Oh.
What are you doing? Jump, yeah. Jump.
Yes. Oh no.
Oh, that's so cool.
Don't hit the old lady. Oh,
Right switch.
I'm excited too. Let's do this. Got some gold coins. Get that big bird.
It scares me.
See, they just come after you. They just come after you.
This is hard, you're right. I thought it would be way easier.
Get that money. Bush.
What was that? Tried to hit me.
He's like, I won't not poop on you. I will have to dive down on you. Oh my god. No, you're gonna die. You're gonna die. It's on hard mode too, so imagine what the easy game is like. He's a good boy. Yes.
Oh, I killed him.
Oh my god.
I killed
He just walked through that bush like 2 times.
It was worth it.
Get the press control. Press control. Press control.
I don't have my magic juice.
You don't have your magic juice? Who doesn't have their magic juice?
I don't.
Oh my god, look at that coin.
I got gold coins in itself.
It's probably only like 1 coin. It's probably not them. Oh.
My strategy was to just jump and run.
Got 2,000.
Dang.
Get hit! Run! I think the chicken stole his truck. But jump!
Them dang birds killed me.
What?
The birds killed me.
Dang it. How was I supposed to run from that?
You was dead.
And that'll be it. Hang of this.
Got the hang of this now.
Skills.
What the? You haven't lost any health.
You took so many shots that last time.
Get that big turkey. Get that big turkey. That's the one that shot the grandpa.
Oh my gold coin!
Best strategy ever. This is awesome.
I didn't get any coins that time.
Warner parked right here.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Am I supposed to
Kill
shoot
the turkeys, yeah. Kill them turkeys. It is on hard.
If I keep on moving, I have to be able to survive. You're dead. You're dead.
They're dead already. They're dead already. They're dead. They're
Feel the pain.
Is that all?
Is that all?
Let's buy something, and then we'll end this
Time for
video
an
here.
upgrade.
Oh my god, we don't have enough money. Okay guys, we'll see you next video when we play Bird Assassin. If you do like this video, then we will play it again. If you don't like it, then we'll still play it again.
Because
Because it's a fun game. So, we'll see you guys next video.
We can buy the minigun if we save up.
Oh my god.
Purchase.
Next video we'll get it.
Alright, talk to you guys later.
And don't forget to
brush your teeth.
bye-bye.